Are you looking for a simple, affordable, and delicious way to transform your health? What if I told you that just 1 cup of oatmeal a day could change your body in life-changing ways? From weight loss and glowing skin to stabilizing blood sugar and protecting your heart, oatmeal is truly a superfood hiding in plain sight. Stay tuned until the end, because the last benefit might just surprise you. Oatmeal boosts digestion instantly. The moment you eat oatmeal, the soluble fiber inside it, called beta-glucan, begins working in your gut. This fiber forms a gel-like substance that slows digestion, making you feel fuller for longer. That means no more mid-morning cravings, no more reaching for unhealthy snacks. It also acts like a broom, sweeping through your intestines and supporting regular bowel movements. Goodbye constipation. Oatmeal stabilizes your blood sugar. Unlike sugary cereals or white bread, oatmeal releases energy slowly. This helps prevent sudden spikes and crashes in your blood sugar. For people with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes, eating a daily cup of oatmeal can be a real game changer. You'll notice fewer sugar cravings, more steady energy, and even better focus throughout the day. Oatmeal helps you lose weight naturally. 1 cup of oatmeal is low in calories but high in fiber and protein. This powerful combo tells your brain, "I'm full," even though you've eaten fewer calories. Over time, that means you'll be eating less without feeling deprived. Plus, because oatmeal balances blood sugar, it helps reduce belly fat, the most dangerous fat around your organs. Oatmeal protects your heart. Here's where oatmeal becomes truly life-saving. The beta-glucan fiber in oatmeal binds to cholesterol in your digestive tract and helps flush it out. Studies show that people who eat oatmeal regularly can lower their LDL, also known as the bad cholesterol. That means stronger arteries, better blood circulation, and a reduced risk of heart attacks and strokes. Oatmeal supercharges your immunity. Did you know that eating oatmeal daily can actually boost your immune system? That same beta-glucan that lowers cholesterol also activates immune cells in your body. It trains your defense system to fight off infections, bacteria, and even inflammation. So, you're not just eating a healthy breakfast, you're building a shield for your body. Oatmeal gives you glowing skin. Want healthier skin without expensive creams? Oatmeal contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that protect your skin from damage. It can help reduce acne flare-ups, dryness, and irritation. When eaten daily, it nourishes your skin from within, giving you that natural glow. Oatmeal supports longevity. Here's the most powerful benefit. People who eat oatmeal daily are linked with a longer lifespan. Why? Because it lowers chronic inflammation, balances weight, protects the heart, and stabilizes blood sugar. In short, oatmeal helps prevent the major diseases that shorten life expectancy. It's not just breakfast. It's a small daily habit that can add years to your life. So, what happens when you eat 1 cup of oatmeal every day? Your digestion improves, your blood sugar stabilizes, your weight drops, your heart gets stronger, your skin glows, your immunity sharpens, and you build a foundation for a longer, healthier life. Now, imagine just 1 cup of oatmeal every morning and your body begins transforming immediately. So tomorrow morning, instead of reaching for that sugary cereal or processed snack, grab a warm bowl of oatmeal and feel the difference. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing health tips. And let me know in the comments, how do you like your oatmeal? With fruits, nuts, or honey?